everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this easy 5 minutes, no foundation, sweat-proof makeup look for Durga Puja. This look is ideal for girls out there who do not like to use a lot of makeup and at the same time want to look glammed up for this upcoming festive season. In this makeup look, I have used only drugstore products and I haven't used a lot of makeup products, and I made sure to use only products that are already available with every girl in their makeup vanity. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. I'll first start by applying the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I'll be applying it evenly on my face and massaging it for a few seconds, and then I'll be applying the primer from NYKAA. You can use whichever primer you have. In case you don't have any primer, you can apply the aloe vera gel. It will work fine. Now I'll be filling in only the sparse areas of my brows, and for that I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Once I've filled the sparse areas, I'll be using the spoolie attached to the other end of the eyebrow pencil and I'll be combing my brows to give a final shape to it. Now I'll be cleaning the edges of my brows by applying some concealer to it. This process helps in achieving a neater and cleaner look for the brows and also helps in defining the brows. Since brows define your face, it is very important to give proper shape to the brows while applying makeup. Now I'll be taking the concealer palette from NYKAA and I'll be correcting the under eye dark circles and all the problem areas, and for that I'll be first applying the orange color corrector to the under eye dark circles and also to the pimple marks and spots that I have on my face. Once that is done, I'll be applying a yellow color corrector and bringing everything down to a peachy undertone. I'll be blending it using the warmth of my fingers only. The orange color cancels out the grey or brown pigments and the yellow color balances the orange and brings everything down to a peachy undertone. Now you can see I do not have any visible dark circles, and now I'll go ahead and apply some concealer on the areas of my face where I still have a few discolorations, and for that I'll first use my fingers and then I'll be blending it using a damp beauty blender. Blending is the key to achieve a flawless makeup base, so I'll take all my sweet time for blending. Now I'll take a compact powder from the Maybelline New York Fit Me range and I'll be basically setting my face with it. Setting the makeup is essential to ensure that the makeup is sweat proof and doesn't crease. Now for the eye makeup, I won't be applying any eyeshadow today. I'll just be applying 2 to 3 coats of mascara, and for that I'll be using the Maybelline mascara. I'll be applying the mascara on both my upper and lower lashes, but today I won't be doing any contouring on my face, but yeah, I'll be applying loads of blush. If you don't have blush, you can always go ahead using red lipstick or pink lipstick. It works as good as a blush. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Miss Claire nude lipstick. I'll be mentioning the shade name somewhere in the description box. Now I'll be applying highlighter on the highest points of my face and a little bit on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. At this point, if you want, you can apply a makeup setting spray, but I have skipped this part. I completed this look with a red bindi and traditional jewelry that complements my traditional Banarsi sari. This look isn't inspired, but I suddenly remembered that this look resembles that of Bulbul from the very popular Indian web series. To make this look even more traditional, I have added a nut on my nose. And yeah, I'm completely loving this look. This is so elegant and this is so simple and it doesn't take a lot of time. It just takes 5 minutes. So yeah, if you like this look, you can follow us on Instagram. We post a lot of cool stuffs out there. The link will be mentioned somewhere in the description box. So now you're ready to rock Instagram. If you like this look, please make sure you give us a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.